Good day everyone. I'm not a chef and today we will cook instant noodles 3 ways. First is lime honey noodles. In a pan, boil some salted water, then put the instant noodles. After it softens, drain the noodles. Dice 1 clove of garlic. In a pan, put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add the garlic. One tablespoon of light soy sauce. Chili flakes. 1 tablespoon of honey. Cut 3 limes. Squeeze the limes in the mix. Mix it well, then put it on a medium heat. In a bowl, put 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, add 3 tablespoons of water and stir. Add the starch to the boiling mix. Stir until it thickens. Add the noodles to the mix and stir until it's covered completely. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and mix. Second is stir fry noodles. Cut half an onion into big chunks. Cut 1 green chili pepper roughly. Cut 1 courgette into small pieces. Julienne, third of a carrot. Cut the white part of a scallion into small discs. In a wok, heat 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Put the onions in the wok. Stir until it starts to char. Add the green chili pepper and stir. Add the carrots, the courgette, then stir. Add the scallion. 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and stir until it's all covered with the sauce. In a pan, boil some salted water, then put the instant noodles. After it softens, drain the noodles. Put the noodles in a bowl. Add the stir-fry veggies, salt, sesame oil, and mix. Cut the green part of the scallion. Add it to the bowl and mix. Third is tahini noodles. In a bowl, pour 2 tablespoons of tahini. Add 1 tablespoon of ketchup, salt, chili flakes, garlic powder, rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of 7-Up, and mix. In a pan, boil some salted water, then put the instant noodles. After it softens, drain the noodles. Add the noodles to the bowl and mix.